Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing this hatch receiver liner in my 1979 Porsche 928. Here is the new liner. I got this from 928motorsports.com. And check them out, they have a lot of good stuff for these cars. So as you can see, this liner is shot. They get brittle with age and they just fall apart. I mean, this is just ready to fall right apart here. It just comes right apart. It's real sticky, real gooey. So what we're going to do is remove this unit, and first off we'll take these screws off. These are 6mm. Take these out of here, and the back side we will disconnect this right here. This just simply pulls right apart. Okay, this will lift out to the top. Be careful, watch that wire. Alright, now we can go ahead and go over to the workbench. Okay, what we need to do now is remove this old insert. This will basically just fall apart once you start picking at it. Here's a piece right here. If I just lift it up, look, it fell apart into two pieces. This is shot. So get in here with a screwdriver and push this, pick at this and just get it out of here. You can see it's really falling apart pretty easily. So that's no problem. In the meantime, this should be warmed up so it's more pliable when you press this into position. It's too stiff right now, so the guys at 928 Motorsports recommend heating this up to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. You could do that with a hair dryer, put it in some hot water, or even put it in the oven on warm, and that'll soften it up a bit so it's easier to press in. So if you want to get some hot water ready or your oven warmed up, it's a good time to go ahead and get this heated up. Yeah, that thing was pretty much shot. A little piece down here yet. Make sure you get it all. Because if you look in here, there's these slots on the side, so you can see them here on the back side. These slots. Make sure you get all the pieces that might stick in there, get them out of there, and yeah, I'm pretty good. So that's it for that part. I can throw all this crap away and start to insert the new piece. Alright guys, I'm ready to push this new insert into position. So this is what I did to hold this white plastic lock mechanism down. So I put a C-clamp on it right there to hold it down. I pushed it down with my thumb. It's under a lot of pressure. So it took me a while to try to get it down there and get the C-clamp on. So I got it there so it's locked so it won't move. Now I can take my insert and slowly push it in to the position it needs to be in. This is why it needs to be warmed up, so that it can it's more pliable and can maneuver appropriately. So once you get it started in there, just keep working it. And looks like I'm where I need to be at. You can see when these tabs pop out, on the sides and the back here, that's when you're in. So that's pretty much it there. So that's in, that's where it needs to be. Now I'm going to put my thumb in here and slowly release this C-clamp. And there we go. Okay. That's it. That's the way it should look. So now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall. Alright, that's what it should look like once it's in position. And that is it. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching. And check out 928motorsports.com for all your Porsche needs. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.